Let me introduce you to the Bead Cleaner by Fabricat Industries. Setup for any size wheel requires a simple turn of the crank. Set the wheel in place and switch the machine on. The bead cleaner allows the tire technician the ability to dismount a tire while cleaning the bead seat area of another wheel. This saves time and brings every tire mounting into compliance of the tire manufacturer's specification to clean the bead seats. The bead cleaner creates a consistent phonograph finish about the circumference of the rim, which enhances the seal. Aluminum wheels are becoming standard on automobiles, and these wheels tend to lose their protective coating faster than steel wheels will, and thus get air leaks at the bead seat area. Currently, most wheel bead seats are only cleaned if heavily corroded, and this requires 5 to 10 minutes per wheel. However, wheel corrosion is not the only cause for a bead leak. Bead leaks are also caused by tire debris left on the rim after dismounting the old tire. This is why tire manufacturers specify to clean the bead seat area. The bead cleaner is also a clean running machine. The dust released by the cleaning of the wheels is collected by a shop vacuum. The current method for cleaning bead seats involves using a wire wheel on an angle grinder, wearing goggles to protect the operator from flying bristles, and a dust mask due to the large amount of aluminum oxide dust released. Dust masks are not often used because they tend to make goggles fog, and the operator ends up breathing the aluminum oxide dust. The current method shown is a slow, labor-intensive process. The danger in using the angle grinder and wire wheel is the velocity of the bristles as they wear and break free from the wheel, as well as the grinder hopping and nicking a finger. The bristles on the wire wheel are needle sharp and are released at 180 feet per second. The BB gun shown shoots a blunt projectile at 280 feet per second. Emergency room visits are not uncommon to get wire bristles removed from eyes and arms. To operate the bead cleaner, place a wheel on the rollers, adjust the wire wheels to the correct width using the crank, and lower the top roller onto the wheel. Watch as the bead cleaner removes both rubber debris and corrosion from this rim. This is the wheel before and after. These are the bead seats before and after. The wire wheels are much safer than those on an angle grinder. The bead cleaner spins them at 800 RPM versus an angle grinder at 10,000 RPM. The brush used is a common 6-inch wire wheel, which retails about $7. The wire wheel at the right adjusts by means of a hand crank. Maximum wheel width is 12.5 inches. Installation involves plugging a shop vacuum into the outlet on the bead cleaner, then plugging the bead cleaner into a 120 volt power source. wheel width adjustments are made using the crank. Now the switch on the bead cleaner controls both the bead cleaner and the shop vacuum. The bead cleaner will increase profits by reducing labor cost and reducing warranty claims.